Precision agriculture and targeted treatments. Drones are revolutionizing precision agriculture by enabling targeted application of fertilizers, pesticides, and nutrients. With aerial imaging and multispectral sensors, drones assess plant health, soil conditions, and moisture levels down to the smallest sections of a field. This allows farmers to apply treatments only where needed, reducing waste and boosting efficiency. Variable rate applications become possible, directing specific amounts of resources to areas that need them most. Picture a drone flying across a field, identifying sections that require more water or nutrients, and applying them precisely. This method minimizes chemical use and environmental impact, making farming more sustainable and cost-effective. Targeted pest control is also enhanced, allowing farmers to treat pest-infested zones without spraying entire fields. This precision supports healthier crops and a safer environment. Another benefit is improved crop yield and quality. Drones help ensure plants get exactly what they need to thrive, maximizing growth and productivity. This targeted approach leads to better returns and a more resilient farming system. In essence, drones empower farmers with insights to treat only what's necessary, fostering an efficient and sustainable approach. Precision agriculture with drones sets a new standard for farming that prioritizes productivity and environmental care.